So, welcome back, part 2, Earthlings. I don't know what to expect. Anyway, I've had it repaired. Where that blodge of black stuff is. So I've had it repaired with the 47 microfarad capacitor, 16 volts. I plugged it in at the back there. So I thought I'd try it before I put it in the box, erring on caution. So let's see what happens. I'm either going to be very happy or very quietly upset. So so what we got there, oil light, no side stand light, no EFI light because the kill switch is on. Can't remember what that one is. Don't know, fuel light. Anyway, let's try indicators. Indicators. Oh, that's interesting. Put the indicators on and it looks like the EFI light is flashing. Other indicator. Okay, so if I switch the ignition on, right, that's stopped flashing. So whether that's a fault or not, I don't know. Let's put the lights on. The lights are working. It's good. Turn the indicator off. Flash the headlight. Okay, that looks like it's working. What else is there? Full beam. Let's put the lights on. Full beam. It's full beam light. So take it off full beam. Okay, so I assume that's working. I guess the next thing is to put it into its holder and then try and calibrate the needles. So I think so. Look, I could turn the EFI light off. Try the indicators again. Don't know if that's right or wrong, but as long as it runs and reads the mileages and that, so I think. So now turn the indicators off and the EFI light is flashing, which would be correct because I've got the kill switch. So yeah, so far so good. I will put it back in its casing and actually bring it back out here to make sure the mileage and the dials are reading correctly. So far so good, fingers crossed. Okay, so I rebuilt the clocks, calibrated put the speedo and the rev counter where I think it should be. So we'll have the big reveal now, shall we? Hooray! So let's put the lights on. So the lights are working, the mileage is back, the instruments are reading here, no fuel in the tank, EFI light is flashing, oil light, no side stand because it's got the bypass on it. So it looks good. Yeah, indicators, indicator the other way, so it looks good. So if I turn that off, that stopped flashing. Let's just put the indicators on. Yeah, I did notice, I don't know, if I turn that off, so if I turn the EFI off, the kill switch, the EFI is flashing. Okay, I thought it was flashing the indicators, but okay, it's flashing. So if I turn the ignition off, turn the ignition on, does its thing. Okay, that's flashing. Oh no, it all seems tickety-boo. So you've got one very happy, and the clock is starting to work, very happy Earthling here with his Caponord again, with such a small amount of mileage, and it's got so many more miles to do. I'm really happy. I'm so happy. Oh god, dear me, this was the most scariest thing I've had to do on the bike, because I just thought I was going to balls it up really, and seems they're not in very short supply. It would have been an awkward job. So thanks to Carl for some advice, and I was very lucky. I ended up taking it to a mobile phone tablet computer man, and he repaired it using like a big microscope thing and low temperature flux and solder and so forth. So he done it in the end. My son did have a go, but it was a bit too hot what he done. So anyway, I've got there. I think in future, when the bike isn't being used for long periods in the winter, I shall actually disconnect the battery to save the life of this capacitor. So it's all ended well for me and the silver capo. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody. The capacitors are peanuts, but my advice is get somebody who knows what they're doing to do the soldering. Thank you, good evening, and yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Earthlings, bye.